Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Agreement in restraint of legal proceedings. Everyone is free to use judicial system, that is, take recourse to law in case of dispute. Any agreement to restrict the legal rights is void. Example: D, an Ayurveda doctor, agrees to pledge his medical equipment to L, a moneylender, as security for loan. D packs bricks instead of his medical equipments in a wooden box and gives to L. Later on, L comes to know and files a suit for cheating under section 420 of IPC against D. D makes a compromise to pay rupees 1 lakh to L to withdraw the case of cheating. Held that the contract to withdraw the case of cheating was void. Rules of restraint of legal proceedings. Restriction of rights. Agreement restricting enforcement of rights is void in following cases. Absolute restriction. Absolute restriction on any party from enforcing his rights in respect of any contract by usual legal proceedings is void. However, in some cases, partial restriction like subject to Delhi jurisdiction, etc. is valid. Limiting time period. Agreements curtailing or extending the periods of limitation prescribed by the law subjected to defeat the provisions of the law are void. Agreement to discharge any party thereto from liability in respect of any contract on the expiry of a specified period so as to restrict any party from enforcing his rights is void. Example: the rules of a crossword competition of a weekly published by X Limited that under Rule 1 the matters arising in the competition, the editor's decision shall be finally and legally binding on the competitor, and that under Rule 2 at the expiration of 3 months from the publication of the price list, X Limited shall not be liable to pay any claim unless a suit for it is pending. Held. Rule number 1 restricts persons from enforcing their rights through court of law. Rule number 2 limits the time to a period shorter than the period prescribed by law of limitation. Hence, the rules are not enforceable. Arbitration. Agreement for arbitration is valid. However, an agreement purporting to oust the jurisdiction of courts is contrary to public policy. An agreement between two or more parties to refer to arbitration any dispute which have arisen or may arise between them is valid. However, agreement restricting anyone from taking legal recourse at a court of law is void. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.